At Autex, we are manufacturers of sustainable acoustic panels. We supply the interior design industry, architectural industry, construction industry with sound solution products. So predominantly we sell to architects, specification market, so architects, interior designers, but our end client are the commercial officers, predominantly education facilities, hospitals, healthcare and hospitality. So it's a whole range, but really sort of quite high-end commercial buildings, commercial office complexes that need a really good sound solution. The market's changed even over the 10 years that we've been here, in the short time that we've been here, and certainly the last 4 or 5 years. And the market really is about sustainability and about circular manufacturing and recycling products and repurposing products. Our take-back scheme that we have, we take back any product that's now wants repurposing that's historically been installed, and that's really sort of where we're going with how the market's changing. One of our most innovative products that we've launched in the last few months is a product called SpinFix, which is made entirely out of our recycled waste and the products that we bring back on the take-back scheme from customers. SpinFix is probably our biggest innovation that we've had in the last couple of years. The business is all about people, and we innovate products, we innovate concepts, and it's all about the people within the business, trying to empower them into helping to achieve new products, new ideas, new strategies, new ways of doing things. And that then comes through with the people that we work with, the supply chain really. So, and that's what the innovative part of that is all about really. So it's trying to develop the relationship within the supply chain that we can all innovate together throughout the sustainability environment and eventually, servicing the customer. We're very good at bringing in new products and new ways of hanging products, new ways of putting products on the wall, and we bring Gripple into that stage when we're developing a product to help us achieve that. Gripple's expertise and their technical team have helped us tremendously. We know we can pick up the phone and talk to their technical team at any time, and we can get an answer and we can collaborate with them on how we do things. And the market is fast-paced, dynamic, trends change quickly. Gripple already had the knowledge of the market, they had the knowledge of the commercial fit-out market, and they really helped the growth of Autex from day one. And Gripple have been supportive in the whole of our 10 years from an innovation standpoint, and we collaborate quite often on new designs and new ways of fixing and hanging our products and making them work and making them look great.